In the heart of a magical forest, where trees whispered secrets, lived a kind princess named Semmu. At 7, her heart was full of love for all creatures. Semmu had golden hair and sparkling brown eyes, and loved exploring the forest, making friends, and having adventures. One sunny day, Semmu found a rabbit named Luna, shivering with fear and crying. Luna had wandered away from home and couldn't find her way back. Semmu hugged Luna and promised to help her find her way home, reassuring her that she was safe now. Semmu took Luna's paw and they walked through the forest until they reached a clearing where Luna's burrow was located. Luna was overjoyed to be home and thanked Semmu repeatedly for her kindness. Just as Semmu was about to leave, she heard a cry for help. A squirrel named Finn was hanging from a branch, his paw twisted. Finn explained he fell while trying to catch a bird. Semmu climbed the tree and pulled Finn to safety. Finn was grateful and promised to always be there for Semmu. Luna, watching from her burrow, came out and was surprised to see Finn. Finn explained he got lost chasing a bird and fell from the tree. Luna was relieved Finn was safe. Semmu suggested they take care of Finn's hurt paw. Luna agreed, and they set off to find herbs to make medicine. As they walked, Semmu told Luna and Finn about her kingdom and its magical creatures. They reached a meadow with colorful flowers and streams. In the center was a huge tree with a door. Semmu opened it, revealing her secret hideout filled with fairy dust, berries, and feathers. Luna and Finn were amazed. Semmu found special herbs to heal Finn's paw, made medicine, and applied it. Finn felt warmth and the pain faded. He thanked Semmu, his eyes shining with gratitude. Luna hugged Semmu, grateful for her friendship. As the sun set, they had a picnic in the meadow, eating berries and drinking stream water. Semmu shared forest adventures, and Luna and Finn shared stories of bravery and kindness. Stars twinkled as they laughed together. As night grew darker, Semmu, Luna, and Finn said goodbyes, promising to meet again. Semmu walked Luna to her burrow, ensuring her safety, then walked Finn to his nest. Finn thanked Semmu, promising to always be there for her. Semmu returned to her palace, grateful for the wonderful day. With a heart full of joy and happy memories, she drifted off to sleep, surrounded by magical creatures who admired her kindness and bravery. The moon cast a silver glow over the forest, and stars twinkled like diamonds. In this peaceful world, Semmu slept soundly, knowing she made a difference in her friends' lives and they would always be there for her.